Hello student, today I am going to teach you QB64 statements. Similar to ordinary language such as English, French, Bengali, Hindi, etc., programming language also have rules of syntax, grammar and spelling. In fact, the application of these rules in a programming language is stricter. This is because a program has to be explicit as it is a precise statement of the action to be taken. Generally, QB64 is an ID. ID means Integrated Development Environment. An integrated development environment is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. An IDE normally consists of a list, a source code editor, build automation tools, and a debugger. QB64 is an ID which is used to compile programs written in QBasic programming language. Just like any other programming language, the element of QB64 consists of the character set, the constants, the variables, the operators, and the statements. Character set. QB64 commands are written using characters and symbols. These can be digits, letters, and special characters. The character set used in QB64 is numeric digit, letters, and special characters. Numeric digit such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Letters A to Z. It may be capital letter or uppercase, or it lowercase or small letter. Special character such as @ hash, dollar symbol, etc. Constants. Constants are such values that do not change during the execution of the program. This can be of the following types. Constant, normally this is two types: numeric constants and string constants. Example of numeric constants: 1, 2, 3, 4. Numeric constant means I can say what is a numeric constant. These are the numbers digit, that is integers or real numbers, and can either be positive or negative. Numeric constants can be used in arithmetic calculation. They do not include any special character. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the valid numeric constant. But if I write 0, E5, it is an invalid, because here is using the character, not a numeric digit. In other hand, string constant, these are the set of characters that include the letters and can also be combined with the numeric digits, blank spaces, and the special characters. String constants are always enclosed within double quotation. For example, Sharoda Vidya Mandir. This is the valid string constant, and I have written here Sharoda Vidya Mandir within this double quotation or double quotation. Variables. A variable is a named memory location that contain a value which may or may not change during the execution of the program. A variable can hold only one value at a time. However, a variable name cannot be a reserved word, and can have a maximum of 40 characters. Here, reserved word meanings The reserved word in programming language is a word which has fixed meaning known to programming language and cannot be redefined by the programmer. Example of reserved word: print comment, let comment, input, rem, etc. Variables are of two types: numeric variable and string variable. What is numeric variable? It stores only the numeric values. The name of the variable can include letters and numeric digits only, such as example of numeric variable: mg equal to 10, ls7 equal to 4. So these are the example of valid numeric variable. m comma l equal to 10, a at the rate of 4. These are the example of invalid numeric variable. So this is the invalid numeric variable. Now string variable. String variable used for storing string values. Character set within double quotes. The string variable can be named using letter and numeric digit, followed by a $sign symbol. Example of string variable: var $sign equal to SVM, or v5 6 $sign equal to class 6. But the message written here within double quotes. So these are the example of valid string variable. But percentage symbol GSV $sign equal to SVM, or G percentage symbol $sign equal to class 6, these are the example of invalid string variable. So this is the invalid string variable. Print statement. Now I am going to discuss about a reserved word: print statement. Print statement is used for displaying a value, message, or an output on the monitor. There are various ways in which a print statement can be used in UB64. Print statement without anything is used to display a blank line. Print statement with text or message. This statement print a text or message on the monitor. The text should be enclosed within double quotes. Now print with any number. This statement prints a number. If a number is to be displayed, quotation are not used. Print with separators. More than one expression list can be printed in one print statement, but a separator must be used. Comma separator and semicolon separator. Comma separator is similar to a tab key. A comma, when used between the two printing values with one print comment, leaves a gap of one tab space. Semicolon of separator is similar to pressing spacebar key once. A semicolon, when used between two printing values with one print comment, leaves a gap of one space. Print text, comma any number. This statement prints text, comma any number. This statement prints both text message and number. The text and number that are to be displayed are separate by a comma. One of the separator is used to separate text from number. Now let statement. Let statement is used for assigning a value to a variable within a program, whose value may change during the execution of the program. Example: let num equal to 10. Let num equal to 10. So using the let command, we can insert the value to the variable. That means we can transfer the value to the variable. Now input statement. This statement is used to take input from the user during the program execution. Each input is stored in a separate variable. In order to store alphanumeric or text input, the variable name must be followed by a $sign. For example, input, enter your name, then variable name and dollar symbol. So here must we use dollar symbol if you want to accept the any text. Now input, enter your age, now age, or if you want to accept the any integer value, that means any numeric value, so that time we don't need to provide the dollar symbol after variable name. So now it is treated as a numeric variable. Now rem statement. Rem stand for remark. Rem adds comments in a program. For example, rem space. Here must be use the space. First you write the rem, then give the space, then whatever you want to write. Suppose here I have written rem space QB64 statement. Okay. This is the QB64 environment. Here I am going to write some code, QBasic code. Suppose first I want to display hello world. So how can I display the hello world? So here I will take the help of print statement. Print, then space, provide double quotation, and here I write hello world. Now I am going to run this program. Just click on run menu, then start. It's take little bit time. This is the example of print with text or message. Okay, the output window is appear. So hello world. Similarly, I want to give here one print statement without anything is to display a blank line. So I am only write print statement, print comment, but I have not write anything with this. So now I just then I want to display a numeric value, then print space 10. Now again I am going to run this program. I am click on run menu and then start, or I can use F5 keyword also. So this is the example of print with any number. It takes little bit time. My machine is little bit slow. Actually it is 32-bit. QB64 is very comfortable with 64-bit, but it can run on 32-bit also. So now this is the first hello world. Then here already print one blank space, and then next line it come 10. Okay, now print with separator. Print with separator. Print space and I'm write roll number now I am using comma separator and then write 0 1. Again I am using print command, then room number using semicolon and then use 101. And before here I am going to use rem command. Actually rem stand for remark. Actually remarks are non-executable statement in a program that enhance the readability of the program code. It only appear in the programming code and it has no effect on the output of the program. Rem, I am typing here rem, REM, then I provide space. Okay, then I am writing here example. Okay, example. Now I am going to run this program. Going click on start menu, that means sorry click on run menu and then start, or I can directly press F5. It's take a little bit time. Already I have told my machine is 32-bit, so it's take a little bit time, but in 64-bit QB64 run very smoothly and very fast. Okay, now hello world, then print next line, blank line, then 10, then roll number, it use like a tab key, and room number, it's like a one space key. It's like a one space bar key. But one thing, rem example, we are seeing this example in QB64 code platform, but in output it will not appear because rem is a non-executable statement. Okay.